welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing a room tour of all the toys we have. Let's get started. So we got Ninja Turtles down up here. We got the Hulkbuster. We got Bleach, yes. We got RoboCop, Terminator,
Deadpool,
yeah.
What's this guy's name?
I don't know.
Same.
I forgot. Then we got Toy Story.
Who's this guy?
Darkwing Duck.
Darkwing Duck.
No, we got Star Wars, kind of Mickey Mouse themed Star Wars. We have Monsters Inc. back here and Discovery here. And then we have some more characters up there. We have Silver Surfer there. And we have McFarlane and Spawn, yes. And we have
we have an Aquaman there.
Yeah, Aquaman. We have the some Ninja Turtles things.
Yeah,
we got War Machine too. What's this? It's just a backpack, I think. Then we have some Iron Man. We have He-Man.
Yeah, so I have a Wally.
Yes, Wally. We have
He-Man again.
Yeah, and then over here we have some other toys. We have Godzilla here, and then we have some Goku and Hellboy. We have Iron Man. We have Thor. Then we have Transformers here. At first, I didn't even know these were Transformers, but they actually are. This one's...
I don't know.
This one... I don't know what the head is, though. Oh, right there. Then we have Mario Kart. Then we have more Transformers here.
And then we have a Donkey Kong guy thing.
That's still Transformers. Then here, we have the... Armored Mewtwo. We have Iron Spider, and then we have Gundam. We got
Fallout.
Yeah, Fallout. Then we have
a big Hulkbuster.
And I don't know what those are. Then we have two new games that my dad is recently
Monster Hunter World and Call of Duty Modern Warfare.
And we have his car, a model of his car he has. And over here, we have some Legos that we're gonna build. We have
the Blaster PP.
War Machine, I think.
War Machine.
And we have a lava monster.
This isn't a whole buster.
Eli built this one and I built this one.
And this is old. This is also.
This is pretty old from a long
This is
time
like
ago.
the same thing.
Except yours is
gray.
More.
Mostly gray.
Then here we have our Lego bucket. Lego bucket.
And I also have
Eli made this one, those two, and then I made these.
I think I made. Oh yeah, I made this one.
We got these two. Boom. Naruto, Pokemon. Then we got some other toys. We have He-Man. And then we got some sorted Lego here. And then over here we have like kind of a desktop area where my dad has all his painting. And then we have some Fallout cosplays.
We also have some Lego.
Yeah, and then we have some Lego that we built over here. And if we move over here, up here we have like some...
thing.
And then we have Batman, Flash, and then we have the Gyarados we built.
And we also have Bane.
And here is more of the
DC.
like DC and Marvel, I guess.
And here's a Skylander. As you know, if you play
Skylander. We just have some Star Wars
in the back.
And then over here we have the Gundam. And then here we have lots of cars. Up there we have more Star Wars. Then this one we have the Batmobile.
And the Millennium Falcon.
Smoke also comes out of it and it makes noises and stuff.
And the Millennium Falcon.
And then here we have the toy cars. And here we have just some other anime. And then more anime. And then down here we just have some more cars. Then we got Godzilla here. Then we have I think this is also an anime. I'm not for sure.
I think that's from Ultraman.
I don't think so.
I'm not for
and
sure.
over here, this is where we do our videos. And yeah. Hey guys, we're back. And as you can see, we sorted 90% of the pieces. And I think we're ready to build. So let's get to it. I finished mine, kind of. I have like a few more pages left to finish.
So I'm still on the chest.
Because he has like somewhat 100 more pieces than me.
Yeah, 362. He has like 290 something.
Good catch. 294.
I said 292. That's 2 away.
Yeah.
294, 292, 2 away.
So
This is what halfway. I'm barely done, and I'm
Maybe
still
a quarter.
learning how to do Legos.
and so I got mine. Oh, okay.
This is my chest.
And then we
No.
have some of the characters. We have the
I have this
fireman.
guy.
One strange thing is the handle of the what do you call these?
Fire this.
Oh yeah, fire extinguishers. Yeah. How did I forget that? And it has a gun for the thing. Then we have the stereo.
And
Cool
if-
thing about that is if you, I don't want to like do it, also actually shoot. But if you push this right here, it'll shoot. You know what? Boom. Boom. Then we have this. We have this cool Spider-Man. Cool thing is like you have. You can do something like this. You have the webs. You have multiple webs actually. Got like all these webs. And
Whoa,
you have
that's a lot. That's a lot of webs. Are you gonna web me? Boop.
we still got
Stickers.
4 more stickers to go.
Okay. And for me, you actually have 5, I think.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so I have this guy from Marvel, I think Endgame?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, Infinity War.
Oh yeah, Infinity War, the little monsters have tons of arms and stuff. And the thing is that you wonder how I put all the arms on. I have to take his head off, and then I have a little like armor thing, backpack thing that if you boop, yeah, like this, you can just attach it. Just
Okay, hey guys, we're back. We've finished. We've got I got my cool gargantuan.
I got my war machine guy robot. Pew, 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 pew. Okay.
Then you got
Okay.
yours.
So my guys' name are Outrider, Ant-Man, and War Machine. I'll put this.
Then I got a firefighter, and I got Mysterio, and I got Spider-Man.
And I got a War Machine.
I'll take that.
I'll just go like flying bullets.
Then you got this one. I think it shoots. I guess that counts.
The rockets. And then I have these.
Down goes the
And a rider. And then I'm gonna go get those bullets.
Just top it.
Okay. Okay, so this guy is pretty cool. He has this piece of armor on the side. He has 2 claws.
That caught Mysterio.
Okay, and this guy is also cool because he has the 6 arms, I think. Yeah, 6. He can hold any
I've caught
weapon.
Mysterio. Put him into the lava. Dead.
He can hold anything. He can be an airplane guy. You know how airplane guys have the things? The glowing things?
Yeah.
The glowing things to make the airplane drivers
I
know
shall
that
clear
they're
you.
okay.
Oh, grabbed. I've been grabbed. Help me.
You can go. I don't care. You got your blue thing back. You got your blue thing back. Okay. And this guy, he's gonna.
This is a very cool build, definitely.
I'm gonna shoot a missile at you.
No, missed. And then, so, one thing, stop, you guys stop, stop. One thing I like about this guy is that he has all this detail. I really like the detail. I like how it has the claw. And I like the face design too. You can move up. He's a giraffe. Then we got extra pieces. Quite a lot of extra pieces. Yeah. Oh no.
Oh no!
Well,
Oh no!
thanks for watching. Bye!